be using the Profusion palette, and this is the Metallics palette. It has 24 shadows in it. Every single one of them are metallics. And let me give you an up close view. These are so pretty. And I kind of have an idea what shadows I want to use. It's going to be a bold look. Normally I love very subtle looks, but there are days where I just want to do something really colorful, really bold, and today's that day. I have no idea how I'm going to do this, but I see the colors that I want to use, so let's just go ahead and get into it. So the first color that I want to start off with is this beautiful blue. So this color is Thunder, and that'll be the first color that I use. I'm going to use this e.l.f. concealer brush, and I just want to begin with just drawing a line. These aging lids, sometimes it makes it difficult because the skin is more loose, but I just kind of want to outline how far I want that blue to go, at least starting off. In my head, I have an idea of how I want this to look. Let's just pray together. Now this blue will get blown out above the line, but I'm just going where initially I want to begin with this blue. And as you can see, I've already prepped my face. I've put my foundation on, my bronzer, lipstick, and all of that good stuff. And I've also set my face. I've also primed my eyes as well. What I'm going to do is I'm going to take, what is this? I know it's an e.l.f. brush. This is a flat brush here. It's oval, dome shaped, and it is flat, as you can see. So I'm just going to take that same blue and I'm going to put it right here on my eyes. Just right in there. Wow. Oh my goodness. That is so pretty. I'm going to take this flat e.l.f. blending brush and I'm just going to blend the top portion of this just to kind of soften it. Even though this is a bold look, we still want a softness. Okay, so the next color that I'm going to use right in the middle is Atlantis. This nice seafoam blue. I'm just gonna take my finger with this, but I'm just taking this, putting a little bit over that blue, but putting this in the middle of my lid. I'm going to add a little more of that dark blue up at the top. Now I'm going to do a nice combination of the two colors. I'm going to use another brush from a Profusion palette that I have, and I'm just dabbing the Atlantis and Thunder together, and that's going to be on the outer edge of my eye. Let's see. All right, I'm going to use another clean e.l.f. concealer brush. I'm going to take this really light seafoam color here in the color Geode. I'm going to just put this color in my inner corner. Ooh, that's so pretty. This is like spreading powdered jewels all over my eyes. Now, I'm going to take this Morphe, this very fluffy Morphe blending brush, and I'm going to just blow all of that blue out. Up and out. I'm gonna add a little more of that shimmer shade in the middle. So I'm gonna go into Nebula and Nimbus. I'm just going to combine the two colors together. And I'm going to use another e.l.f. brush. I'm not sure what type of brush this is, and I'm hoping that I get the effect that I want. Okay, so I'm just going to see what happens if I take my finger and put a little bit of that pink right in the middle. Oh, that's pretty. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go back into Thunder. And I'm going to add that just on the corner of my lower lash line, just to kind of combine that purple and pink. So what I ended up doing was mixing Thunder with Nebula, and it kind of deepened that purple up a little bit. Now I'm going to go back into Geode. I'm going to use my finger for that. While I'm letting the Chanel Le Base mascara dry, I'm going to go ahead and add some blush, and I will be using the Dior Rouge blush. This is in the color Poison Matte. And what I forgot to do is put a little bit of eyeliner on my eyes. So I'm going to use the CoverGirl Intensify Me eyeliner in the shade Black. And I'm just going to add just a little line. Just to kind of add a little bit of interest and depth. Now I'm going to finish putting mascara on. I'm going to be using the Le Volume by Chanel. And I'm starting to really love this mascara because it is so thick and it lengthens my lashes so well. So I will be getting the regular size in this very soon. And I'm going to change the lipstick color because I feel like it's just not what this look needs. I'm going to be using the Rouge Dior Purple Pulse. This is the final look. What do you think? I really love these metallic colors so far. They're vibrant. These colors are really just calling out to me, those golds and oranges, and let me know what you think about this palette so far. I'm looking forward to trying other colors in this palette. Let me know if you have used this palette before. Let me know your thoughts and your experiences with this palette, and I hope that you all enjoyed this video and seeing this look coming to fruition, and I hope you all take care. If you are new to this channel, please do not hesitate to subscribe, and if you subscribe, please click on that notification bell because that will remind you of all of my future uploads. You all take care, have a blessed day, and I will see you all on the next video, God willing. Bye-bye.